Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another reading which is going to be for whoever needs it. So the messages that we're going to pick up in this reading is going to be open for everyone and anyone who is willing to see this reading and who is willing to pick up some messages coming with the reading that I'm going to do now. So before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages that are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings, and you can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. I will be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So we do have the Page of Swords, then we do have the Knight of Swords. There will be some light on this card which I cannot fix even, so let's put it this way. Page of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Somebody's planning to reach you out very soon. They are keeping an eye on you. They are keeping tabs on you for sure. It can be somebody online. It can be somebody maybe on in real, like maybe if you go to a place every single day, maybe they are just observing you right now before they are going to make a move towards you. It can be a past person, it can be a new person as well, somebody who is or who could be the secret admirer as well, but they are keeping tabs on you for sure. And this person is going to reach out to you very soon to talk to you, to maybe to ask you out, or maybe to just to know you more. But I feel like this person is somebody that you're going to meet at a place where you go on regular basis, or when I say regular basis, means like gym, park, clubs, if you are into clubs and all. So this person is somebody, if it is somebody new, you're going to meet this person where you go on daily basis. They are observing you. If this is somebody from the past, they are definitely checking you out on social media or trying to figure out what's going on in your life. If this is somebody from the past, let's see more cards here. And I feel like the communication is going to rush in from this person very soon. Let's see, Three of Wands. If it is somebody new, I feel like they can pick up the vibe that you are also interested in them. Maybe it is somebody that you already know. Maybe you have been kind of checking them out too lately, and they would wait for you to approach them. When you don't, they are going to approach you. Now for those of you who are who is going to be approached by another person, maybe in that situation too, maybe you are going to be approached by this person because they were waiting for you to reach out. But since you are not going to reach out, they are going to ask about you first, or check you out on social media first, and then they are going to make a move towards you. So let's see more cards. The Hangman and Seven of Swords. With the Seven of Swords energy, it's the same energy that I picked up from, I think, the Leo sign, or the person that the Leos were dealing with. I don't know. There was this, the recent readings that I did, there was this title to one of the readings that somebody's going to reach out, but then they are going to ghost you out again. Like it is going to be that kind of energy of the same person. For some of you might be that sign that I did. I don't remember exactly, but I think it was of for the sign of Leo. Maybe you are dealing with a Leo, or the person who you are kind of interested in, maybe the sign of Leo. Whatever it is going to be, I think it is going to be short-lived, so don't expect too much from it, especially if you're single and if you have recently broken up. Try not to get too involved or indulged into this connection that you're going to be having, because I don't see it lasting. Especially if you are single, if you are willing to meet a new person, just be mindful, it might not last. For those of you for whom it's going to be the past person who is checking on you right now, maybe the things are still slow. Maybe you are unaware of this person is spying you or checking you out. They might take some time to reach out to you, but when they do, I believe it's going to be something stable. Let's see one card for them. The past person's energy when they reach out. I feel like they're gonna take some time to reach out, but yes, they are spying you, they are checking on you, but they might take some time. When it comes to this person here, I feel like for majority of you, this person is somebody new, and be that you are single or be that you are willing to have a reconciliation with someone from the past. I feel like this person and their energy is very immature. Whoever it is that is entering in your life, they will leave as quickly as they are entering in your life. As quick they are about having a connection with you, they are going to leave you as soon as they it's a quick energy. Basically, they're going to come in, they're going to leave out. So that's their energy. But yeah, if the past person is spying on you, I feel like they are not going to reach out to you anytime soon. They will take their time, but yes, they will, once they don't see you reaching out to them, they will reach out to you. So let's see what is going to be the outcome for the people who are dealing with somebody from the past. You can expect something stable coming from them. It might take time, but it will be something stable. That's what I'm picking up. Let's see for those of you who are dealing with somebody new. It's like a messy situation. I feel like you they might talk about you later on behind your behind your back, basically. So it's not a good energy here. But yes, they will be reaching out to you. They would be we cannot like just be judgmental around this new person. It might be that like but their energy is very immature. So if you really want to be with this person, try to take it slow. If you really want this connection to work in your favor, try to take it slow. Don't rush into things with this person telling you let's do this, let's do that. Don't get physical at all, because if you do, it's going to end there and then. That night, that time that you're going to spend with this person is going to be like the one night stand kind of a thing, and then this person is not going to talk to you. So again, don't invest yourself into this connection emotionally and sexually as of now, especially if they are reaching out to you out of nowhere. Don't take it to the next level with them sexually, I would say, because it's going to scar you so bad. They are going to talk about you and your stuff that they had with you. It's not going to be good for you. It's just going to ruin your reputation in wherever you are finding this person. Just don't let that happen, because the energies are very bad with this person. And since it's a general reading, since it's for a huge group of people, for some of you this person could be like maybe your person is not going to be like this, but still there are chances. So don't let that happen to yourself. When it comes to this person from the past might take long, but they will definitely reach out with a with a respectable kind of a relationship offer. So they might be checking you out on social media. They might be kind of trying to figure out what's going on in your life, but at the same time they will make a move towards you when they are ready to give you that respect that you deserve. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for this reading. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.